I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a bootable Windows USB in Linux. We're going to be using a tool called WoeUsb-ng. I like it. It's very simple, nice, clean, and it's also made in Python. So I like it more because of that. And to open it, we're going to go to this GitHub repository called WoeUsb. I'll leave the link in the description. You just copy and paste it if you want. And I also like that it covers like pretty much all the stuff for all the major distros. It's really good. So I'm on Arch, as you can see. I'll just gonna install like from this. I don't know why that never works, but whatever. Okay, there we go. Hit enter. I usually just do square for none, none, and now I wonder if this will work. Do we have to launch it with sudo? I hope not. Yeah, we have to launch it with sudo. Just type in woeusb-gy sudo. You can do it from the terminal if you want. That's another thing I like about it. But yeah, this is the ISO. You select the ISO of this. You can get from a CD if you want. Target device. This is what you're gonna flash it to. And beware. Let me just close this. If you're using this, right? If for some reason it installs grub, now that's not bad, but the thing is, it's that this stage of the setup, it takes so long. It's so unbelievably long for no reason. And it's good. You might think that install is frozen, but in reality it's not. It just takes so long. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Just go wait a while. It takes like an hour, but yeah, pretty much it. I'll see you. Have a good day.